This is Villains BMX. Do a bike check for my first video. Alright. We got Tioga Street Block tires. 2.25. The Colt Forks. I don't know what kind of rim this is. Really don't know. Yeah, Colt Forks. Fit frame. Is this a Brosa stem or a fit? I don't know. S&M 4-piece bars. I'm guessing these are fit cranks. These are, I just got these pedals, forgot what they're called. Really awesome. Sprocket 25 tooth fit. We got the fit seat. Supposed to be getting a new one. And then I have free coaster in the back. Also, don't know what kind. Think it's Revenge. Yeah, it's a Revenge. I mean, that's it pretty much.